Welcome to our new video. It's no secret that 2 or 3 years ago, Peppermint OS was one of our favorite Linux distributions. In our humble opinion, the distribution was geared toward both novice and advanced Linux users at the time. In the meantime, things have changed, and the new team behind this Linux-based operating system chose a minimalist approach with the motto "less is more." We were not sure if newcomers would find their way around the operating system after the change. Particularly if you add to the mix the fact that the distro began offering two variants, a Debian-based and a Debian-based, the latter being the one without the systemd initialization system. And now the question is, how can you explain to a novice user the point of the argument with or without systemd when newcomers only want their computers to work properly and don't seem to understand something that looks like ideological warfare in the Linux community? However, things seem to change again, and Peppermint OS has again offered a decent option for novice users. Stay tuned. Peppermint OS has recently offered another option to beginner users. It's called Peppermint OS Fully Loaded, which is touted as a sleek and fully populated operating system ideal for new and novice users, simple and powerful, with essential apps pre-installed. So we had to give it a try. First, the installation process was an easy affair with the well-known distro-agnostic Calamares installer. We have tested it on a modest virtual machine, but still the installation went smoothly and lasted around 11 minutes. Once installed, Peppermint OS presents a nice and useful welcome to Peppermint application that offers an About section, online documentation, and links for joining the Peppermint community. The Welcome app also offers a section with suggested programs, like web browsers or additional software stores, namely Snap Package Platform and GNOME Software Store. The Peppermint OS team has again offered a so-called classic desktop with the panel on the bottom of the screen. In its right corner, users will find the System Tray area. There you'll find the Update app. When you click it, it opens a terminal window where you need to type in your administrative password right away. It still looks a little geeky, but it gets the job done nonetheless. In the left-hand corner of the panel, users will find quick links for pinned apps, including the file manager called Thonar. And of course, the Start menu, which offers apps both in alphabetical order and in sections as well. There are many tools and applications pre-installed, so users will immediately be able to browse the web, create images or edit photos, watch videos, write documents, customize their systems, and so on. It will surely take days for users to explore all the things Peppermint OS Fully Loaded has to offer. The offer includes Peppermint's own software manager, which looks very much like Linux Mint's counterpart. Since Peppermint OS is based on Debian, you'll find there all those thousands of apps from the Debian repositories. The default browser is Firefox. LibreOffice is the default Office suite. It's an older version of LibreOffice from the Debian repositories. One thing to note is that you need to slide on the option in the software manager to show unverified apps from the FlatHub platform, and only then will you have access to apps like Brave or Chrome. As a reminder of the good old times, Peppermint OS Fully Loaded has brought back the default wallpapers from the old era. Several nice desktop and icon themes are pre-installed, so users get a modern-looking system from the get-go. Peppermint OS Fully Loaded features the lightweight XFCE desktop environment, so don't forget to customize Window Manager when changing the desktop theme. The themes also have their dark variants. All in all, Peppermint OS Fully Loaded is a lightweight and stable operating system. Would we recommend it to new Linux users? Yes, if you have an old machine or a new machine that you want to use its resources on real tasks, then a new variant of Peppermint OS is fully recommended. So, have you tried Peppermint OS Fully Loaded? If you have, please share your thoughts in the comment section. And please do not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.